Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be making a ghost with a bow. This drawing is a Halloween drawing, and you can display it anywhere around your house for Halloween. And it's really fun to draw. If you would like to make this cute ghost with us, then you can keep on watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and share to all your friends so maybe they can make this ghost too. Alright, let's start drawing our cute ghost. First, we're going to make the little skeleton, our bow of our ghost. So we're going to make 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. Make a curve in, and then make a big curve out. Now we're going to make 2 little eyes for our skeleton to make it more alive. And we'll start making the bow. We'll make a big triangle, a curved triangle-like shape coming out from our little skeleton. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. It goes in from the skeleton. You make a big triangle and you connect back in. Now we're going to make our little ghost. We're going to make 2 lines coming out from the bow. Then we're going to extend those lines to make them a bit more slanted. I'm going to make them a bit more poofy. So our ghost looks like a little ballerina. Now we're going to add little curves over here. And then finish it off. Time to make the little inside of our bow. We're going to make like a curve. We'll make a little curve up here. So now it's like a 3D bow, so we can see the inside of it. From here, time to add little lines like it's clenching onto that little skeleton. Let's make the eyes of our ghost. We're gonna make 1 oval here and another oval on the other side. And I'll make little eyelashes to make it look cute. We're gonna add some cheeks. Our ghost looks really happy. I'll color those in later when I'm done with the mouth. Time to make the mouth. We're gonna make a little curve from up here. And our ghost is shouting, hooray! Maybe she's really happy. And I'm gonna color all of these in now. If you notice, I left a little empty space over here because when we color it in, we're going to do some shading on the eye with this fluorescent green. And now our ghost is done. And we're going to add, when we're coloring, we're going to add some cheeks here. So you can do that too with your ghost if you would like.